Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a vehicle to the Flowbird application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the My Account button down below in the right side corner, and then click on Vehicles at the top and click on Add Vehicle down below. After that, you should type in your license plate number into the first bar and then type in the name of your vehicle. Tap on the Done button and then select a vehicle. So choose a category, either car, motorcycle, truck, EV car, disabled person profile, electric motorcycle. So tap on the relevant category and then click on the Save button, and you can also set it as your default vehicle by tapping onto this box on the left side. Tap on Save and then click on Confirm. So after that you will be able to find it in the Vehicles section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.